Traders, welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. Today we will discuss about rate of change indicator. How much profit can be made daily by using rate of change indicator? Let's come to start today. Firstly, go to indicator. Use the period in this video 16 and make a profit. Go to the next section. This video is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is the rate of change indicator? Number 2. Interpret the rate of change indicator. Number 3. How to use the rate of change indicator my strategy. Number 1. What is the rate of change (ROC) indicator? The rate of change is a momentum-based technical indicator that measures the percentage change in price between the current price and a price from a specified number of periods ago. It helps traders determine the strength and speed of price movements, making it useful for identifying momentum shifts, trend reversals, and overbought/oversold conditions. Number 2. Interpreting the rate of change indicator. Positive rate of change indicates bullish momentum. Prices are rising compared to previous periods. Higher values may suggest an overbought condition. Negative rate of change indicates bearish momentum. Prices are falling compared to previous periods. Lower values may suggest an oversold condition. ROC crosses zero line. A crossover above zero may signal a buy opportunity. A crossover below zero may signal a sell opportunity. Extreme values. Extremely high or low ROC values can warn of potential reversals due to overbought or oversold conditions. Simple and easy to use, easy to calculate and interpret. Effective for trend and momentum analysis, highlights shifts in momentum quickly. Versatile, works well across different time frames, intraday, swing, or long term. Number 3. How to use the rate of change indicator. Trend following strategy. Buy signal, when ROC crosses above zero and continues to rise. Sell signal, when ROC crosses below zero and continues to fall. Divergence trading. Look for price ROC divergences to spot trend reversals. Combination with moving averages. Use ROC crossover signals with moving averages for additional confirmation of trends. Enjoy the session and see my trades. boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and